Speak your mind, mastering the art of expressing yourself in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language: speak one's mind. This expression is all about conveying your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means to speak your mind and how you can use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, speak one's mind, refers to the act of expressing one's thoughts and opinions frankly and openly, without holding back. When someone speaks their mind, they are not afraid to say what they really think, even if their opinion is different from others. It's about being honest and direct in your communication. Example, during the meeting, John wasn't afraid to speak his mind about the new policy. Contexts to use the phrase. 1. Debates and discussions. It's common in scenarios where people are sharing different viewpoints. 2. Personal conversations. When sharing your feelings or thoughts with friends or family. 3. Workplace meetings, to offer your honest opinion on work-related matters. Tips for using the phrase. Ensure that the setting is appropriate for open and honest communication. Be respectful and considerate, even when speaking your mind. Combine it with phrases like, I think, or, in my opinion, to soften the statement. While speaking your mind is about honesty, it's crucial to consider how you say it. Tone and context matter. Being too blunt might come off as rude, so it's important to balance honesty with tactfulness. Understand the situation and the people you are speaking to, and adjust your tone accordingly. In some cultures, speaking one's mind is highly valued, while in others, it might be seen as less appropriate. Being aware of these cultural differences is key, especially in international settings or multicultural environments. Always be mindful of the cultural context when choosing to speak your mind. And that's a wrap on Speak One's Mind. Remember, this phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, allowing you to express yourself clearly and confidently. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you communicate more effectively in English. Until next time, keep practicing and don't be afraid to speak your mind.